In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. To get started, log in to your Stripe account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and viewing the main settings for your business. This is where you'll manage the payment methods your customers can use at checkout. Next, click the settings icon, usually shown as a gear. This will open the area where Stripe lets you control account preferences, payment options, and checkout behavior. From there, open payment methods. This section shows all the payment types that Stripe can support for your account, including cards, wallets, and bank-based payment methods. Now, look through the list until you find US bank account, also labeled as ACH. ACH payments allow customers in the United States to pay directly from their bank account, which can be especially useful for larger transactions, recurring billing, or customers who prefer bank transfers over card payments. Once you locate US bank account, click on it to open the details. On this page, you should see the option to turn it on or enable it. Go ahead and click that button. If Stripe asks you to confirm or save your changes, make sure you do that before moving on. Saving is important because otherwise the payment method may not actually become active for your checkout flows. After enabling ACH, the next step is to open the payment setup you plan to use. This could be a payment link, a checkout page, an invoice, or your subscription settings. The goal here is to verify that US bank account, or ACH, is now available as one of the payment methods your customers can choose. Depending on the product or flow you're using, Stripe may show the enabled methods automatically, or you may need to confirm they're included in that specific payment setup. Once you've verified that ACH appears as an available payment method, complete a test payment to make sure everything is working correctly. This is a smart final check because it helps confirm that customers will actually be able to use ACH without running into issues. During the test, pay attention to whether the bank account option appears properly and whether the checkout process behaves as expected. If the test goes through and ACH is visible, then you're all set. Your Stripe account is now configured to accept ACH payments through the payment flow you enabled. Thanks for watching.